He just came from eating his food. From his mama, so now he getting his food. He just got here. Kiki, she came just with him, so I don't know what she doing. Who did he want to follow directions? Meanwhile, I'm still good. I don't know what he doing over there eating his food, about to get ready to play. Get your hand off the camera. Kiki, I see you. Look, you can see she hungry. Look, she can snack. Look at her mouth. Look at her mouth. It's the same thing with him too. Look at his face. He's smiling. No, it makes no sense. He's smiling.
Delicious though.
It's chicken. Eating real good. He likes eating chicken. Stop. Or I'll punch you. Just snacking off the chicken. How many pieces you got? 2. Greedy.
No, I got.
Actually, I got 2.
21.
Say it again.
21.
And see. Let's stick when you say 21. She wearing Shopkins. I don't know what he wearing. He wearing some GTA 5 night clothes. He wearing some GTA 5 night clothes.
Shut up.
Who don't got underwear with a shirt on? Trying to throw a ball at me when he gonna miss. Miss. Told ya. You can't throw. You can't throw. Oh shit. Boy, I will need you, boy. What I need? Boy. That's what you get. I ain't even need you. I ain't even touch you. I touched my foot. I'm on.
Yeah.
Come on. Get off me. Like, seriously. Stop.